Hey friends, good evening. Let's do the option chain analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. That's 12th January. This is for the expiry week dated 14th of January. Nifty today closed at 14,485 level, up by 137 points or 0.96%. Nifty futures closed at 14,489 only. Yes, so that is a premium of just 5 points. This is very surprising considering that it's just 11 days that have got completed in this month. Not even half of the series is over, and premium on Nifty futures is down to just 5 points. Let's see if there are any other signals to be cautious on Nifty. No surprises here. Nifty continues to be extremely puts heavy at 4.23 crore shares against just 2.78 crore shares on the call side. The put call ratio currently stands at over 1.5 times. That is, the number of puts are 1.5 times the number of calls sold. Now, usually above 1.5 times, this number tends to signal some bit of caution. And considering that the premium is also only 5 points, I think we should be a little cautious over here instead of just getting carried away about Nifty being puts heavy. On the put side, the highest open interest is at the 14,200 strike with over 36 lakh shares, and the highest open interest addition today has happened at 14,400 strike with over 22 lakh shares getting added in open interest. On the call side, 14,500 continues to have the highest open interest, but the highest open interest addition has happened at 14,700 strike. So 14,500 to 14,700, and in fact 14,800 has lot of congestion in this zone, if I can call it, where lot of call writing has happened and incremental open interest addition has also taken place. So effectively traders are betting that Nifty won't rise beyond 14,500 to 14,700 zone. When we look at the daily chart of Nifty, there is absolutely nothing to complain. It just keeps on making higher highs every day. In fact, even today it has made a new all-time high. It could not cross the 14,500 mark today, but almost on a daily basis it continues to trade higher, and it has just been going upward in one direction. The volumes have also been fairly strong on the upside in the last two trading sessions. At least the charts are not showing any reasons of worry. Yes, 14,000 will be a very strong support, followed by 14,200 level, and till the time Nifty remains above it, the bullishness will continue at least in the foreseeable future. On the basis of our option chain analysis and chart reading, I will be selling the 14,200 put, which is currently trading at around 32 rupees, and I believe that can be sold safely till there is a sharp correction on Nifty, and which could primarily be due to global markets only. On the call side, I think you have to be very adventurous to be selling calls. However, considering that 14,500 has the maximum amount of open interest on the call side, I will look to sell the 14,600 call option, and will definitely want to hedge it by buying say 14,800 strike to limit my losses in case Nifty continues to go higher. Only very adventurous traders should sell call options. Also, conservative traders should take a protection on the put side also, just in case of unfavorable global cues leading to a sharp knock on Nifty in any of the days in the next few trading sessions. The ratio can be maintained 1:1, that is selling one call option for every put option that has been sold, or you can only stick to selling the put option since the Nifty is continuing to make new all-time highs daily. Now let's move to Bank Nifty, which closed just below the 32,000 mark at 31,999, down by 85 points. Yes, Bank Nifty was down today by 85 points or 0.27%, whereas Nifty was up by almost 1%. So it goes to show that Bank Nifty has actually been underperforming vis-a-vis the Nifty, and it is finding it extremely difficult to sustain above the 32,000 mark. We'll see more of this when we come to the charts. Now, as we can see, Bank Nifty options are actually call savvy. 1.22 crore shares open interest on the call side as compared to only 88 lakh shares on the put side. So this is quite opposite to Nifty option chain, which is very puts heavy. On the call side, the highest open interest is at the 32,500 strike with a premium of around 138 rupees, and which has also witnessed the highest open interest addition, followed by 32,000, which has the next highest open interest and the next highest open interest addition with a premium of almost 331 rupees. On the put side, the highest open interest is actually at the 32,000 strike, which has become in the money because Bank Nifty closed just below the 32,000 strike. However, if we ignore that, the next highest open interest will be at the 31,000 strike, which is almost 1,000 points away, and that has witnessed almost equal open interest addition as compared to 31,200 strike on the put side. So for us, 31,000 will turn to be an important support level for Bank Nifty at least in the next few days, and 32,500 will be an important resistance level. When we look at the chart of Bank Nifty, we can see why it has been underperforming. It has just been struggling with 31,500 and 32,500 level. Bank Nifty's earlier high is turning to be extremely difficult to achieve, whereas Nifty is trading at a new all-time high way above its Jan-Feb 2020 highs. Bank Nifty is still struggling to cross its Jan-Feb highs, and it is just not even able to sustain above the 32,200 zone. We can see that the open and high were exactly the same today, and it closed just below 32,000, although slightly higher from the lows made during the day. Also, if we look at volumes, the volumes are reasonable, not too high but not too low also on the downside. Moreover, according to news reports, today RBI has made some comments which says that the gross NPA ratio of all banks may rise from 7.5% in September 20 to 13.5% by September 21. So that will be a rise of 600 basis points under the baseline scenario. Now, can this turn out to be the reason why Bank Nifty is underperforming and may continue to underperform in the near future? We'll have to find out, but definitely these comments coming from the banking regulator don't spell good news for Bank Nifty, which has any which way has been struggling, as we are seeing in the chart also. And that is why we are seeing 32,500 as the highest open interest, followed by 32,000. Coming to Bank Nifty option chain strategy, my strategy will be to sell the 32,500 strike, and if it opens gap down tomorrow, I will sell the 32,000 call option also. I believe that Bank Nifty is going to struggle around these levels as we have seen in the chart, and especially after the RBI comments. An aggressive trader can sell the 32,000 call option also. Of course, do keep in mind to take necessary hedges to protect yourself from any sharp rally or gap up. On the put side, 31,000 strike can be sold, although the premium is fairly less at 60 rupees. But in case there is a gap down tomorrow, the premium may rise. So you have to see if the risk reward is favorable for selling the 31,000 strike put option. And since Bank Nifty is relatively weak, be very cautious in selling the put option. I would suggest selling 2:1 ratio, that is selling 2 call options and selling only 1 put option because of the weakness in Bank Nifty. So that's it from my end, friends. Have a profitable trading session tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.
You can reach out to me on Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube.